Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post up videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all of you here and your comments down below. Well, today I've got lots of happy mail. So this is my second box opening of the day, which was really fun to open my mailbox and see all this cool stuff. But today I've got the Sew Yeah subscription box for January of 2023. Now this is a new box this year. Last year was their basics box. We got a basic from a different manufacturer for every month of the year. The previous year was a Moda Grunge box, which is awesome because I love grunge. But this year they did something a little bit different. It's called the Friends box. This year they're working with a friend in the industry or somebody that they know to curate each box. So I'm really interested to see what's going to be inside this thing because this is a little bit different. They didn't curate it, somebody else did, or maybe they worked with somebody to curate it. So it'll be interesting to see what we get. There's no like theme, it's just whatever that person picked for the month. So I can't wait to get this open and see what's inside. The other thing I wanted to mention is a lot of you who love and watch Sew Yeah and purchase things from them all the time have purchased a triangular pillow pattern. Some of you may have purchased the kit where you get the fat quarters and the pattern. I am doing a class with Sew Yeah on February 3rd. So if you are interested in coming to the class and sewing a triangular with me, I will also put that link in the description box below. All you have to do is click register to sign up. It's a free class and I'll see you then. So this is the first box of Sew Yeah's new subscription box for the year. They change their theme every year, like I said earlier. And it looks like though the box is the same as last year. They went with the same plain brown basics box, which I don't think is a problem. All we do is take the stuff out and throw the boxes away anyway. So, you know, printing boxes is really expensive. And so I don't have a problem with a plain brown box. So, okay, let's see. Okay, there's black tissue paper. And then there's a sticker right on top that says the Friend Box 2023. Let's see what else is in here. All right. So this little card says, "Hello, I'm Teresa Porter. I've been in the quilting world for over 25 years and I've loved every minute of it. It all started in high school when they offered a quilting class. As part of the class, I was able to learn how to put colors together and piece the whole quilt top myself, including doing the long arm quilting. I grew up watching my mom sew costumes and I realized that I didn't have to sew on the shiny stuff that she was always working on. It opened up a whole new world and I was hooked. I've spent the majority of my career working in quilt shops. I moved on to a new adventure in 2019 to working with Riley Blake Designs as a sales rep for the state of Utah, down to Las Vegas and southern Idaho. I love what I do and I look forward to work every day. My passion is teaching. I love it and I love to see a new or experienced quilter learn something new. I'm all about the tips and tricks to make something simpler to make. I love to teach the why behind the steps that you learn. Keeping it simple is my kind of quilting. I like to have a good time in class and make it fun. My mom finally retired from sewing the shiny stuff and made her first quilt about 2 years ago. It's one of my best memories. She was hooked just like me and now she has great plans to make all her grandchildren a quilt. She's my new retreat buddy along with my sister. It's so fun to be with them. I love college football. I love the mountains and I'm lucky to live in Midway, Utah. I love spending time with my family. Watching my nieces and nephews grow up is so much fun. I'm known as the crazy great aunt who is the life of the party. I love to cook and bake all kinds of things and I'm a huge fan of landscape photography and pull out my camera whenever I can. With love, Teresa." So that was a nice little card. So it talked about Teresa Porter, who must have curated this box for them. And then this card has a QR code on the back and it says "Scan here to view your first video featuring Teresa Porter," because they were going to shoot a video every month, which you have to scan the QR code, featuring the person who curated the box. So, oh, sorry. So this says, "Welcome to the Friend Box. Hey everyone, we are so stoked that you joined us for the 2023 subscription box. Each month's box is designed around our close friends in the industry. Many of these friends are the unseen heroes that have helped us learn more about the industry and shown us the unique products that we bring into our shop. We have so much love and appreciation for the people that you will get to meet throughout this year, and know that you will enjoy getting to see the behind the scenes real life side of not only us but our friends. Much love, the So Yeah brothers. Okay, so pulling those cards off revealed this gorgeous fabric. I don't know what this is. This isn't familiar to me. There is a spool, large spool of Orifil white thread. It's number 2024, which is white. And holy mackerel, lots of gorgeous fabric. And I'm going to open one of these up and see. I believe that they're fat quarters, but let's just double check. Yes, these are definitely fat quarters. Yep. And we got a lot of them. So what an amazing way to start off 2023 with all this gorgeous fabric. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 fat quarters. And this is the Riley Blake line Floretti by Jerry Robinson of Planted Seed Designs. So, oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. Look at these colors. Here's some neutrals, blue, gray. We've got a rainbow of colors, greens, yellow, orange, couple different colors of red, and a light pink. Oh my goodness. And then in the bottom of the box, there's a little bit more fabric in here. So it looks like these are solids. I'm sure they're probably confetti cotton solids by Riley Blake. I don't know for sure because there's nothing on the selvage. But if these are Riley Blake, I'm going to assume that these probably are too. And I know the guys sell these fabrics. So this must have something to do with whatever the project is. And so you know, this box, they don't put the patterns in their boxes. What you do is you scan this QR code, go to the video, and underneath the video there's the pattern. Now sometimes it's not always there when the box arrives, but give it a couple days, keep checking, and we'll see. And I'm going to fold these back up so I don't leave them a mess. What beautiful colors. We got some amazing fabric. I can't believe how much fabric they put in this box. So that's awesome. I'm going to grab my phone and see if the pattern is up yet, because if it's up, then I can show you guys what it is. I'm very excited about this. I wasn't sure how I would feel about this box, just because I had no idea what kind of theme or anything it was, but now that it's here, I love it. Okay, let me see. Nope, it doesn't look like the pattern is up yet, at least not that I can see. I'm not a great tech person. But I can't wait to see what we're supposed to be making, because this is amazing. This beautiful color of stuff. So again, if you are interested in this box, I will put the link in the description box below, as there are still subscriptions available. And don't forget to also check out the Triangulo class that I will be hosting with So Yeah on February 3rd. I hope you join me for that. All right, guys, take care and have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this. I sure did.